Oh my God, hey. I love it.
I'm gonna do gold chrome.
Please sign my boobs. I was like, for sure.
Nails by May. So, where are you from?
So I'm born in the UK, but I've got Greek Cypriot origin.
What's the best parts of being Greek?
I would definitely say the food. Everything revolves around food.
Okay.
Happiness, sadness. Have you had Greek food before?
Yes. They have a fried cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
Halloumi.
Yeah, that
That's
was good.
It's the best cheese as well.
I love it. You know, maybe we should do Greek food now.
So what, we have like a kebab,
Yeah.
a steak.
What do you
I
think?
mean, to be honest, it would just make me hungry all the time. Because when I'd be looking at my nails, I'd be like, damn, I'm hungry. Would it be cute on the nail though? This is my thing.
Yeah, like a little one, you know, miniature Greek food. I'm gonna do some design.
What are we thinking?
No logic, you
Oh
know?
my goodness, that's my EP title. I love that you're like thinking of something personal to...
I think it should be some personal.
Yes, I agree.
Right?
I agree, May. Have you done Greek writing before?
No, actually no.
Okay, we have an exclusive here.
So I'm gonna put the gel first,
Yes.
okay? What's the weirdest moment on the tour?
A fan literally asked me to sign her boob. And she took
Oh!
off her top, like, and she was like, please sign my boobs. I was like, for sure, let's do it. Should we just maybe step aside from the ground?
So what length do you want?
I think half.
Half, yeah. I'm gonna
Okay.
cut here.
That was really tense.
Right?
Another weird moment would be, you know, falling on stage. So,
How that happen?
called heels, May, which I don't wear anymore on stage.
Yeah.
And it wasn't great because it was like at the beginning of my set.
Wow, so you did the
Yeah.
rest of the show?
I had to be like, you're gonna
So
lose my... And then it fell flat on my face.
I'm gonna do gold chrome.
What, you actually use glitter?
Yeah, 24 karat coating.
Is it real?
Real gold, they said.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
It's so cool.
What's your favorite nail design you've done?
My favorite design is I always love 3D. Sprite can, Coca-Cola can.
I saw that. That was
You know,
sick.
that was
so
good.
cool.
I love it.
Do you ever just look back at look through your Instagram and you're like, I'm sick? And then you look at them and you're like, I'm actually sick.
But I don't love people sometimes put the bug in the nail.
Bugs.
Bug.
Okay, no, that's not cute.
Yeah. So, is it weird fan ask you to take a selfie?
What I do find weird is like when they don't even speak to you, they just come up to you and they're like, can we have a selfie? And then they'll just walk off and you're like, wow, that's kind of weird. Like no one even speaks. I think it's the social media life now, isn't it?
Yeah.
How it's like, people don't clap anymore. They just have their phones up in the air, don't they? It shows
Yeah.
now. It's just like the audience, it's literally just a million gazillion phones.
Yeah,
As opposed
it's
to people's
crazy.
hands. It's madness.
What's your biggest OMG moment in your career?
When I was at school, I went to the same school as Amy Winehouse, who's literally one of my favorite singers. I got given the same locker, the same dictionary as her.
Really?
I freaked out. I was like, Amy Winehouse has had this dictionary. That was just such a weird, amazing moment.
What's the biggest gig you have done?
When I supported Rita Ora at Brixton Academy, all my family were there. It was such a milestone playing a venue I've seen so many of my icons play.
Wow.
I think it was like 5,000-6,000 people.
Amazing.
That needs to be your hashtag, like
Amazing.
and then in capitals MEI.
Yeah.
Zing.
So you are Gemini?
Yes. If people ask me my star sign, I say I'm a Gemini. They always give me weird looks.
No, it's not.
It's the twin, right? And that people think that
Oh, there's two different
switch,
sides.
but you know, I think that's with everyone. If you get on the wrong side of someone.
Yeah. I think Gemini is really nice and fun.
Thank you, May. Thank you. I appreciate that. If you're a nice person, you'll have no issues with me. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Sorry,
Yes,
I'm getting way too gassed right now. This is unreal.
How's your love life?
Non-existent at the moment, which is okay. You know, I'm dating a few people, but unless someone is adding to your life, you know, what's the point in them just being there? I mean, it's a see you later with these nails. Yeah. It's a bye-bye.
So I'm doing the heart on this hand.
Okay, so does that mean you've put a good spell on me that I'm gonna meet my future husband?
Yeah. Actually, I had that kind of customer and then she asked me, can you paint in Japanese because she doesn't want anyone to understand? Then I did, and then she met someone.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're not only a nail queen,
No.
you are also
Fortune teller.
fortune teller slash good cast speller.
Do you like a guy eat a lot?
Can't go out with guys that don't like food as much as me because
Yeah.
I love eating.
Sure.
Like all the time. So if they're like, I'm not never hungry, well then what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
What else is there to do?
On your right hand, I'm doing Angel.
It's funny you have actually thought about this because I've actually just written a song called Myth. And I talk about Cupid in the song. It's
You
like all
did.
about the myths and legends. Even Medusa must have known love. Why would she be so damn bitter? I wonder if Cupid got the right stuff. Did he trip and hit the wrong two figures? Like, it's like about being unlucky in love. So maybe you've just injected the luck back into my life.
Yeah.
Oh my God, hey. Oh, the detail
So
on this
cute.
baby. And then
Yeah.
it's kind of a cross between Cupid slash the baby emoji. What should we name? It's obviously Cupid, but Cupid,
Cupid.
AKA Cupid. I love that. She's flying. She's flying to find the love of her life. We're finished.
Yeah. Oh my God, I love this color. So cute.
It's so gorgeous. This is my new, I think you've just...
New look?
This is my new life.
Nice.
This is just my new everything.